Right then, we now go on to Westfields White City. And now go into Westfields White City and to the first lift in House of Fraser. I'm not sure if this lift was original from when the centre was built, whether it was an afterthought when House of Fraser went down to the basement, I'm not entirely sure. And this lift is a cheap generic and it gets the floor numbering wrong. What do you expect from these generics? They are so crap. It calls it 0 and 1 when it should be -1 and 0.
Doors closing. Lift going up. Ground clear, beauty and recovery.
And now go into the main lifts in House of Fraser. And despite the fact that Westfields is a posh new shopping centre, House of Fraser went and installed cheap generics. And when I first went into Westfields, when it first opened, I thought, oh dear, it's got a floor numbering wrong, 3 is below 0. But in fact, it hasn't. In fact, these lifts do actually go non-stop from car park down to -3, non-stop up to 0, then 1 and 2, because the lifts are actually bypassing Waitrose.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Summer car park.
Now go into this rather weird sort of posh looking bit of Westfield and into the eco discs there. These lifts go from -3, -2, -1, then 0 which is lower mail, 1 is the upper mail, then go up to a weird little mezzanine floor 2 which is this House of Fraser, then there's also floor 3 and this floor's locked and I've still got no idea what's up there, although there appears to be some offices up there. And now go into Banana Republic and into the lift there and oh no, stupid Stanner! Oh, more stupid Stanners! And once again, floor numbering's wrong because most of the shops have 2 floors here, all up on the first floor with the upper level of the shop being up on the 2nd floor. I don't think I've seen a single lift here that's got floor numbering correct. Why do shops not see the need to get the floor numbering correct? If I owned Westfields, I'd make it part of the condition of their lease that lifts in the shop have to conform to the same floor numbering as the rest of the centre. Now we go on to the next lift, which is in Bershka, and it is a little chair. And now go in Top Man Top Shop, and the lift there is stupid Stanner again. Seriously, there's so many stupid Stanners. This is meant to be Westfields, a posh shopping centre. And now we go into one of the main lifts in Westfields. This lift goes from -2 car park, -1 car park, ground and 1 shopping levels. And now we go into, I still do not know how to pronounce the name of that shop. And the lift there is a nice 2nd generation eco disc, although it still gets the floor numbering wrong.
Going down. Floor 0.
And now go into shoe, and the lift is another stupid Stanner. So now we go into Debenhams, and lift there's some nice eco discs. These lifts go from low level shopping, which is -2, ground floor shopping, which is 0, then upper mount, which is 1, then the additional level of shopping, floor 2, so it does get the floor numbering correct. And it is correct that the lower level shopping is -2, because even though -2 is directly below floor 0, because it's actually in a shop, it's actually double height of a parking level, so yes, it gets the floor numbering correct. And now go outside of this shopping centre into some little lifts outside. And these lifts were installed, I think it was a year or 2 after the shopping centre opened. So you'd think they'd still use eco discs just like the rest of the centre, but no, they use these stupid generics.
Going down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down. Floor -2. Doors opening.
And now we go outside of Westfields and to the library, which has a nice Schindler MRL.
Floor 1.
And now we go into Sports Direct in Westfield. So the lift there is another stupid Stanner. And again, it gets the floor numbering wrong. The lift actually goes between upper mount, which is floor 1, up to the additional level shopping, which is Sports Direct on, which is floor 2. But no, it calls it ground and 1. Again, floor numbering incorrect. And now we go into Little Gym. And the lift there is another stupid generic as a swallow lift. And this lift is a bit of an entrapment, because when you get in the lift and go up to Little Gym, it doesn't let you go down again. This is because it's a children's gym and they're worried about children going in the lift and then running away out of the centre, but it's still rather annoying. You have to get out the lift at the top floor and then go down the stairs. Oh dear. And also the lift gets the floor numbering wrong. And now go into some more of the main lifts in Westfield, which are some nice eco discs which go down to the car park.
Door 8.